careful.
I'm coming. No, I got it.
Do you need help?
No, I got it. I got it.
Don't
I swear I got it. Oh, hold on. Catch one, it's too heavy.
What? Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, catch another, it's too heavy. One more. Another one. Okay, I think I got these four. Wait, I might slip. Catch them!
Oh my God!
Catch them! Good catch. Put them down right here. Nice and easy. Whew.
What is up, my little Terra tots? Today, me and my dad went to Pizza Hut to get all
Pizza Hut?
Little Caesars. We went to Little Caesars to get all these pizzas.
Little Caesar says they can have 8 of these large pizzas done in 15 minutes. That's pretty good, huh?
That is pretty good.
Look at all that dough back there. Aydah, look at, that's like heaven for you. Look at all the dough balls. Do you see them? Would you eat that raw?
Yeah. Has eggs in it, doesn't it?
I don't know. I don't know if pizza dough does or not. I mean, I guess it really doesn't.
If it has an egg wash on the actual pizza, well, then it would probably not fit if it was like that. Like if you just had like the pizza dough like ready to put the toppings on it, and there was probably like an egg wash on it to make it more brown, you probably wouldn't want to eat that because there's egg on it.
Yeah, maybe the raw egg. There's a slight chance that you could get salmonella, but I see people eat raw eggs all the time. In fact, I've eaten raw egg. Not that I'm suggesting you to do it or anybody else watching this video to do it, but it's been done. Aydah, these pizzas got my name on it, so I think they're my pizzas, not your pizzas.
Our pizzas. So you guys are probably wondering, what are we gonna do with all these pizzas? Well, we are going to be making a giant pizza.
Make sure you guys leave a big like on this video if you guys think me and Aydah can pull this off. I think we can do it.
Yeah, I think we can do it. First thing we're going to be needing is a pizza cutter.
All the pizzas that we ordered from Little Caesars have no slices in them at all. So we're using this little trick to make one giant slice out of one whole entire pizza. There's a way to use math to make this exact, but I don't think me and Aydah feel like dealing with that. Do you feel like dealing with that?
Nope, I just got home from school. I don't know that.
We got our first slice here, guys. We got our first slice, actually first 2 slices, and they're gonna kind of go together like this and hopefully make a really nice big pizza. But that's like a big hopefully.
The size of my face is maybe like a normal kid's face, and this is pizza compared to it.
And here's mine. But the size of my face is probably like, you know. So.
Okay, slice number 3 is coming up. We're gonna cut this bad boy out and see what happens.
I think this is about the largest slice we've made so far. They seem to be getting larger and larger. This one still has crust at the tip here. You want it? There you go. Get it. Ooh, baby. It's time for the big reveal. You ready to show them, Aydah?
Yes.
What do you think they're gonna think?
I think they're gonna think that is a big pizza.
That is a big pizza. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Boom! That thing is huge.
It really is giant. You know, we were talking about being exact. This is what we meant. This is.
It's not very exact at all. We have a giant slice right here, and still a giant slice right there. But as we were like cutting the slices of pizza, we realized that we were not gonna make a whole entire pizza, which means we would have had to go and get more whole pizzas. We gotta figure out how we're gonna serve this to everybody for dinner. So what do you want to do? Should I just try to move it?
Yes, from there to there.
What do you think, Aydah? You think we're gonna do this?
No, I think I'm gonna drop it.
Alright, I think I got it. gotta get under this spot. There's a little thing under there. Gotta get under that. Okay. We got it. We got it. Okay. It's time for dinner. Everybody come eat. Oh, pizza fell apart a little bit.
Rory's coming in right now to see the big pizza.
Rory. All right, come and see if we got the slices right. I want to see if this is if this slice is big enough for you. Which one would you have? Which one do you want? Huh? What slice do you want?
You want this one?
Oh my god.
Here you go.
I don't like pepperoni.
Well, that's all we got. We only got pepperoni.
This
What do you
is a
think?
big Pizza.
You think this pizza's big?
Yeah.
Nelly wants some pizza too. Nelly, you want some pizza? Nelly, you can't have the pizza.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and Big Tater Tot is out.